Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hassan ID Tricks. Today in this video I will show you how we can connect our mobile WhatsApp account with laptop or PC. And then I will show you how we can extract WhatsApp groups contact numbers from WhatsApp group to Excel. Then I will show you how we can send bulk messages to all the contacts just in few minutes. Let's go start. First I will show you how we can connect mobile WhatsApp account with laptop or PC. Open your browser. Write WhatsApp web in search. And click enter. Now click on first link, WhatsApp web. Now open your mobile WhatsApp. Then click on three dots at the top right corner. Now click on link devices. Then click on link a device. Now click here. Then scan your fingerprint. It starts scan QR code and logging in. It takes some time. And finally connect your mobile WhatsApp with laptop. Then click on the group from which you want to extract contacts numbers. Then click again on group. Now move the cursor here, then right click on mouse. Now click on inspect. Then move the cursor here. Then right click on mouse, then move cursor on copy, then click on copy element. All the group contacts copied to clipboard. Now open the Excel. Click on blank workbook. Now move the cursor on first cell, then right click on mouse, then paste all the contacts. Now select the first cell, then click on data, then click on text to columns. Now click on delimited. Then click on next button, then tick the other checkbox and enter plus sign in that box. Then click on next button and finish. Now click here, then right click on mouse, then click on cut. Then click here, then right click on mouse, then click paste. Now again select the row, then copy and then click here. Then click on paste special and tick the transpose checkbox and OK. It can transpose columns data in rows. Now click on first columns. Then click on data and then click here to remove the duplicate contacts. Again select the first column, right click and click on copy. For further formatting to contacts, paste the contacts in MS Word. First, we need to check contacts format in WA bulk message sender app. For sending bulk messages, you need to add bulk message extension to Chrome. Click here. There is no bulk message extension. For to add bulk message extension, open another window. Then write WA bulk message sender. Then click on that link. Now click on Add to Chrome button. It takes some time. Go back to WhatsApp web window. Click on extension, then click on WA bulk message sender. Here the correct format for contact number is that country code with plus sign, then number and then comma. Comma is used to separate numbers from each other. Now open Word and give correct format to all the contacts. After given correct format to all the contacts, copy contacts, then paste in bulk message sender. Here you can type your message. If you want to send an attachment like image, video, documents, contacts, you need to enable the send an attachment button and click on image, select image, then OK. Now click on send button. Note here, the WhatsApp account which you use for sending bulk messages must be older than 15 days, otherwise WhatsApp block your account. Now click on continue so the chat successfully starts. If you need to stop, click here. After send all the messages, then click on retrieve fail button. It will send the failed messages. Thanks for watching. For more informative video, please like, share, comments and subscribe my channel.